Hello FLLS fam, and welcome back to the channel. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. In today's video, we're going to be going in to our IKEA PAX series part 3 and filling the wardrobe with summer clothing, essential items, accessories, and more. Starting with a wipe down, because you know your girl likes to sanitize everything. Sorry, not sorry. All right, let's continue. And now it's that time. Yes, we are all done, y'all. Let's check it out. The final reveal. Woo! Did somebody say lighting? You know, I'm still waiting on my lights, but I have a temporary solution. Let's go. IKEA PAX wardrobe organization complete. Now let's run it back for the detail lovers. In case you missed it, I am waiting on jewelry inserts to organize necklaces, bracelets, earrings, etc. for the sliding trays, so those will be updated in a future video. The makeup and beauty drawer, this is where I'll be storing any extra makeup that I have that will not be stored on my makeup vanity. Basically coming here to swap out my makeup essentials from week to week. Super super excited to get my hands on that insert for sunglasses. Oh my gosh. I actually think I'm going to switch this wide tray to a jewelry tray and then have my sunglasses over on the previous tray where my gold hoops were, because I don't have that many sunglasses right now. And like I said, these trays are just temporary. So glad that I was an independent consultant that used to sell jewelry. As you can see, I have quite a collection. This was my inventory for my business. But these trays are coming in handy until I get the IKEA PAX inserts. These black space-saving hangers from Ross will be swapped out to the cream ones, and the black ones will be put in another closet. Can't wait to get that done. Along with jewelry and earrings, necklaces and bracelets, clutch purses were my selling point as an independent stylist, and so my inventory was serious. A few of them I sold, and majority of them I still have. I cannot wait for the glass shelves to come in. When the glass shelves come in, the lights are going to shine through those shelves onto the clothing, and the glass shelves will be over sunglasses and so forth. I just cannot wait. I think the lighting is really going to be the biggest thing for me once the glass shelves come in. Yeah, so excited. Thank you so much for tuning in, for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. And stay tuned for all the updates that I mentioned. Full closet tour coming your way.